All right, hello everyone. Welcome back to our next math lesson. Today we're going to be working on lesson 5 in chapter 1. This is going to be vertical addition. So let's get started. In this one here, we're going to be taking our number sentences and just flip-flopping them around. It's not going to change our answers, and that's what we're going to see here. All right, so let's do our first one here. Our directions say, show 2 plus 1 on each sign. So I'm going to grab my writing tool, and I'm going to go 2 plus 1. And if we remember from our lessons last week, 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. And remember, if you're not quite sure on that, you can use that extra space or an extra paper to go ahead and write your answers in there. So let's go down here. We're going to write 2 plus 1 equals 3 again, but we're going to be doing it vertically. So I tell all my kids horizontal is side to side, vertical is up and down. So we've gone and we've done the horizontal side to side. We're going to do the vertical up and down now. Same math problem though. We'll write 2 plus 1, and it still equals 3. So nothing has changed there. That's the same. Move on to our next page. Now, when you look at your format here, what they have are some nice dominoes here for the top and the part here above the line, so kind of that middle part. The bottom part is going to be the answers. That's where you're going to take the two parts and put them together. The top part and the bottom part of the domino. When we add those numbers up and we count all of those dots, we're going to have our total down here at the bottom. So let's do an example here. How many dots do I have on top? 4. How many dots on the bottom? 1. Now I'm not going to put it in this bottom box. I'm going to put it in the box above the line because that's telling me that line is acting like my equal sign. 4 plus 1, if I'm not sure, I can count the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to write 5 in that box. Over here, the domino, the first one, the domino was vertical. On our next one, number 2, it is horizontal. It's side to side. Same thing. How many dots are in the first part of the domino? 1, 2, 3. So we'll write 3 in that first line. Oh, and remember, if it's kind of sloppy, go ahead and erase it and go back and do it. All right. In fact, I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to make mine look nice because I want Mr. St. Clair to see how proud of my work I am. So I've done my 3. Now, on the next side here, how many are in the second side of the domino? 1, 2, 3. There's 3 here too. So I'm going to write a 3 here, not on the very last line, but on that line in the middle. Right? All right. Now, this last line is for how many are in all together. So, first part, second part. Now we're doing the whole. How much is in the whole? Count them up. Did you get 6? We'll put 6 on this last line. All right. You may go ahead and continue working. Remember, parents, you may need to read some of these ones that have story problems in them. Your child may need those read to them. Also, I'm going to be focusing on the homework and looking at the homework for your students' independent work. Good luck, everybody.